नमस्कार, वेलकम टू सिंपल सी बात। आज हम बात करेंगे रोहिंग्या मुस्लिम्स की। Who are these Rohingya Muslims? Rohingya Muslims are Muslims who migrated from Bengal to Burma. They migrated in 1430 and they went and settled in a place called Arakin, which is now called Rakhine. Today, there are over 1 million Rohingya Muslims in Rakhine. UN calls them the most persecuted minorities. Rohingya Muslims speak Bengali. They have cultural and historic ties with Bangladesh and West Bengal. In fact, even now, people in Burma call Rohingya Muslims Bengalis and not Rohingyas or Muslims. There were skirmishes between Rohingyas and the locals right from the day one. But things deteriorated after 1948. What happened in 1948? Rohingya Muslims formed a separatist group. They wanted to separate Rakhine from Burma and join East Pakistan, for which they approached Jinnah. Jinnah initially courted with them, but after that refused to accept them into East Pakistan. After the Jinnah escapade, things really deteriorated for the Rohingya Muslims. But 2012 saw the Rakhine State riots. Rakhine State riots was bad. A lot of people lost their life. Rohingya Muslims blamed on Buddhist monk blamed on Rohingya Muslims blamed on army blamed on both. Things were a mess, but things end of the day deteriorated and things became very, very, very bad for Rohingya Muslims. What did happen? With all this, Rohingya Muslims migrated. They went towards Bangladesh. Bangladesh did not accept them, moved them out. They came to India. India said, we'll help you rehabilitate, but in your soil, not in ours. There was tremendous pressure from United Nations and international community on India to accept Rohingya Muslims on humanitarian grounds. Our take on the situation. What is this Islamic State all about? What is Islamic Brotherhood? Why is Saudi Arabia not helping them? Why is Saudi Arabia not taking these people? They are Muslims and Saudi Arabia is an Islamic country. In fact, it's the capital, it's the Caliphate of the Islamic country. Why are they not taking them? Why is Pakistan not taking them? Countries like Saudi Arabia, Pakistan and most of the Islamic countries are bothered about Palestine. They're bothered about Kashmir. They're bothered about the Muslims of Kashmir. They're bothered about the Muslims of Palestine. Why aren't they bothered about the Muslims of Rohingya? Why is Rohingya Muslims not treated in par with the Muslims of Palestine or the Muslims of Kashmir? Are they really bothered about Muslims or are they bothered about land? So our questions to the Arabized fundamental Muslims: are you bothered about Muslims or are you bothered about the geographical spread that they get you? Lesson to learn from this: countries like Pakistan are not bothered about Indian Muslims. They are bothered about geographical spread of Pakistan, and that's about it. Thank you. See you next time.